A police officer has won a landmark case against the Attorney General, the National Police Service Commission and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, who had attempted to transfer him from his Nairobi station to Turkana County. This is despite him parenting a 7-year-old disabled child with special needs and care. In declaring the transfer unfair, Justice Bairam Ongaya of the Employment and Labour Relations Court ordered the AG, Police Commission and DCI to develop a policy that regulates the transfer and other rights of police officers whose dependents are suffering from extreme forms of physical and cognitive disability. Seth Olale has the details.
It all began in October 2024 when Inspector of Police Isaac Kirimi Kariuki filed a petition seeking a declaration from the Employment and Labour Relations Court that a transfer initiated by the National Police Service Commission and Directorate of Criminal Investigation from Nairobi to Lokitang, Turkana County is unfair. In his supporting affidavit, sworn on 15th October 2024, Inspector Kariuki argued that the National Police Service Commission and the Directorate of Criminal Investigation exposed his 7-year-old son to permanent physical and cognitive disability. In that, the minor regularly attends a clinic program at Gertrude's Children's Hospital for physical, occupational and speech therapy in conjunction with doctors from the Kenyatta National Hospital. And that his 7-year-old son also attends a special school known as Little Step Special School, where fees have been subsidized and is reliant on the petitioner's ability to give him constant psychological and financial support. In their replying affidavits, through Peter Kiptanui Lele, sworn on 10th December 2024, the National Police Service Commission and the Directorate of Criminal Investigation argued that Inspector Kariuki was deployed to Lokitang, Turkana County, in line with the National Police Service Standing Orders, which stipulates that officers other than the Inspector General, Deputy Inspector Generals, and the Director of Criminal Investigation may serve in any part of the country. And that the Directorate of Criminal Investigation had received a complaint dated 2nd September 2024 from a member of the public against the petitioner, alleging that Inspector Kariuki unlawfully obtained money from the complainant and tried to intimidate the complainant to withdraw the civil case filed in court, a reason the DCI decided to deploy him outside Nairobi in light of allegations of threats against a witness. In his determination, Justice Bairam Ongaya of the Employment and Labour Relations Court declared that the transfer of Inspector Kariuki Kirimi from Nairobi to Lokitang violates rights of the petitioner's son with developmental disability as enshrined in the Constitution. And that the National Police Service Commission and the Directorate of Criminal Investigation are compelled to always consider the needs of the petitioner's son with developmental disability when contemplating the transfer of the petitioner. Furthermore, the AG, Police Commission and DCI to develop a policy that regulates the transfer and other rights of police officers whose dependents are suffering from extreme forms of physical and cognitive disability and other family responsibilities as envisaged in this judgment. Seth Olale, Citizen TV.